Okie dokie. Start by frying up some bacon pieces. This is just some bacon I cut into about a quarter to a half-inch pieces. And it wouldn't be a bacon cheeseburger bowl without some burger. This is about, 2 pounds of beef, but the amount really doesn't matter. Season it with all-purpose. You want to brown it, and then, of course, you want to drain excess grease from both of these meats. And like I said, if it wasn't so sure that Mad TV would get pissy, again, this is about a 3-minute meal. So, fry this up. Also, this is a great way to use leftover taco meat, too. So, all right, just cook these two, and we'll be ready for the next step in our Bacon Cheeseburger Bowl. Okie dokie. Once that's done, time to assemble our basic mix. I got 1 tomato here, nice and diced up. Again, this is a great way to get rid of leftover burger or leftover bacon. The amounts, they don't have to be exact. So dump the bacon in, dump the burger in. Make sure you get all the bacon because everything in life is better with bacon. And then you want to add some cheese. This is just some shredded cheddar cheese. Like I said, this is a great way to get rid of leftovers in the fridge. I didn't measure it. This is probably a cup and a half of cheese. I don't know, somewhere cup and a half. Adjust these to your liking. And then the only thing left, simple spoon, and that's it. Mix this until it's well combined. Okie dokie, we got our nice little edible bowls, and you want to fill it with about 75% of the way up with our burger mix, but you can certainly add, subtract, however you like. Adjust the camera for good measure. And then we just got a couple of more ingredients, the ones that don't do too well if you mix them in, like some nicely sliced, shredded iceberg lettuce on top. And then just the classic burger condiments, ketchup and mustard. You could certainly add barbecue sauce or, sriracha if you like, but I just decided to go with the classic diner toppings. And that's Bacon Cheeseburger Bowls. Done.